Hello friends, hope doing good. Today I'll show you how to apps from your iPhone. So now I'll show you some method and some option how you can hide. Alright. So first, if you want to hide apps from your homepage, then you just press the apps icon and hold few seconds. Alright. So I just show you I want to hide wallet from homepage. Alright. Then I just press. Then showing the some remove icon is like minus icon. Then you just press here. Then you just tap remove from homepage. Then this is the one method. Then you want to just hide pages. Therein showing the 4 pages. Then if you should, if you want to hide any page, then you should just press the anywhere for a whole few seconds. Then you just tap on the dotted here. Then here in showing the 4 pages. Now which one you want to just hide? You just tap on the check mark. This page will not show. Now done. Okay. Then only 3 pages. Alright. It's the pretty easy. So that's it. And thank you for the watching on this video. And please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.